Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing uh, Microsoft Excel errors and how to fix them or why they occur. So perhaps the most common Excel error you will find is the hashtag. For example, the hashtag happens when that is a hashtag. So the hashtag in Excel happens when the digits within a particular cell are too large to be contained by that cell. And the easiest way of fixing it is simply by increasing the size of the cell. See, now both of them are fixed. However, if I was to reduce them again, the same thing would happen. All you have to do to fix it is increase it, and it's back to being number once again. Another common error that you will get is hashtag name question mark. So how hashtag name question mark happens is if there is a wrongly typed formula, or if a formula has been misspelled, for example. Hashtag name, or if the right symbols have not been indicated, you will get hashtag name. The simplest way to fix these ones is all you need to do is fix the blunder. For example, here I am just simply placing the symbol for sum, which is, and then enter, and you have your answer, then increase. And so, then another one that you might face in this situation is, for example, div div stroke o. This error occurs when you try to divide a value within a particular cell with a value that either doesn't exist or is below zero. What you will get is div4. So the only way to fix it is either include something within that cell, and then you will get your answer. So another issue you could get is if another error you can possibly get within Microsoft Excel is RF, hashtag REF. Also, and this happens when you have perhaps the formula you input in is working with a cell that no longer exists. And if you accidentally remove the cell without intending to do so, all you need to do is Control Z or go backwards and undo it. So then the issues will be solved. Now that is all I have for Microsoft Excel errors, and hopefully we shall cover more at a later date. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for joining us today.